there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an antelope. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my brown color pen to draw the antelope. I'm starting with its head. Okay, now let's draw its horn. Here is its tiny ear, and now big neck. Here's its leg. It's another leg. Another one. And here's the final one. Here's its beautiful tail and big eye. Now it's looking more like a horn. I'm coloring some areas with brown. Okay, now I'm using my orange color pen. Brown again. It seems like the antelope is smiling. I'm marking some areas with orange. And now let's do the coloring. Now I'm using my orange highlighter pen a bit. Wow, it's looking pretty! And this is how you can draw an antelope within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.